everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talking about some of the most advanced robots on the market. These robots are capable of doing amazing things and they're sure to change the way we live and work. The first robot we're going to talk about is the AU. The AU is a humanoid robot that is designed to be a companion for people. It can learn your habits and preferences, and it can even help you with your daily task. The AO is still under development, but it has the potential to be a truly life-changing robot. Now let's move on the EvoGuard. The EvoGuard is a security robot that is designed to protect people and property. It is equipped with a variety of sensors and weapons, and it can be used to patrol areas, investigate suspicious activity, and even engage in combat. The Evo is a powerful tool that can be used to keep people safe. Next up, we have the Adam. The Adam is a medical robot that is designed to assist doctors and nurses. It can perform a variety of tasks, including surgery, diagnosis, and rehabilitations. With its advanced capabilities, the Adam has the potential to revolutionize the healthcare industry. Moving on to the Afeela. We have a social robot that is designed to interact with people. The Afeela robot can learn your personality and interests, and it can even generate its own creative content. Imagine having a robot companion that understands you and can engage in meaningful conversation. The Afeela is truly a unique robot that has the potential to change the way we interact with technology. Now let's talk about the doggy. The doggy is a quadrupedal robot that is designed to be a pet. It can learn your commands and it can even play fetch. If you are looking for a fun and playful companion, the doggy is sure to bring a smile to your face. Last but not the least, we have the Apogee. The Apogee is a delivery robot that is designed to bring goods right to your doorstep. With its advanced sensor and safety features, the Apogee can navigate even the most complex environments, say goodbye to long waits and hello to convenient and efficient deliveries. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing robots. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.